Alright, so today we are going to work on smart slider to see how we can make a slider. Now on our website we installed a plugin called smart slider. We have activated, so this is the smart slider. Now I just click and just choose dashboard. Now when I open the dashboard, any pop-up you close and you have this section. This is the tutorial slider. You also see a video slider here, so I can click here, do this and delete it, and it got deleted. Now I'm coming to add a new project, so I come to add a new project. If you want to start from scratch, you build your own, or you have, so I'll just come here, then go to start with a template. You can save your template so it becomes a file so that you can import a slider that you already have. So I just go to start with the template. Now under this start with the template, you have a chance to add your own pictures, own background as how you want your slider to be. So if you want this one, you click import. If you want this one, you click import. So it depends on how you want your slider to be. So you can choose any of them, any of the free, then you can use it. This one means that meaning you have to purchase, but the free ones, that is what we are going to use. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, free full with import. So I'm choosing this one, but you can choose any one that you want. If you want this one to be fine. Then I will just choose it. So it's going to load as how I want to. Now this is the demo slider, free forward. This one is a shortcode. Shortcode in the WordPress means that you can copy this one and paste in the page or a post to another, and what that page is about will show there. So in case this you want to copy this and paste somewhere, this slider will show on that the place that you have pasted on your website. So we'll be learning that. Then this one is a demo slider for you to the name, so we can change the name so that it will become easy for us. So maybe I will just make my web demo or my web slider. Okay, then these are the settings. So we have the size, which is 1200 by 600. That's the width and the height. So you have a full width. Then everything is in the default settings. You go to controls, how the arrow should appear. If you want this, you change it, and you can change the color that the arrow should be. So you can change it. Previous and next, you can do whatever settings that you want to do. You can go to animation, how the slider will move. So either you should fade, cross fade, and other stuff. So you can choose whatever you want to do. Then the autoplay too. Then we have the optimized slide image, loading, so instant. So when you have a slide, the slide should be fill the this thing. It should fill the background. If you want it to stretch to fine. Then the developer, this side to have your how you want the settings to be. So when we are done with all these things, you can just go to the general side and we have to save. So we just save it. All right, so now you see the name have changed. Now let's see, this side are all pre-template, so we can edit it. Now let's go into deep and see how we can edit it. So I can just go here and I click on edit. So this is the SEO. When you click here, this is the background. So you see this is the background, slide background, that's the slide title, then the slide content. So the slide content is the name. So I can come here and change the name. Let's say the name should be Kwame Talking. So let's say you can put any name here. Now this is my slider, the thumbnail, how it should appear on this thing. Now let me go to the background and see if I can change the background. So I just click here to delete and come and click here to add an image. If I already have an image in my library, fine. But if I don't have, I'll just go to upload files and select. Then I'll just select my any picture that I want it to be there. Then I can select that picture. All right, so let me choose this picture. So maybe I have pictures. So the pictures that we downloaded on the Pixabay, we'll be using that. So for me, I want to choose. When I'm done, I just come here and go to select. And now you see that the background has changed. Now this is a title as well. So if I after that I can just come and click here back the content and change this thing to the picture that I have, so that when I want to go into a slide and edit, I'll be able to. So this is the thumbnail will show on the dashboard. Now I can come here and just go to the edit store. When I click here on the content, this is what I'm going to see. So I can just type in our successful message. So you can put anything there when you are done. So here maybe you can write that helping orphanage to get to get so I can put the message there and then read more. So this is the read more this thing. So if I have a link, I can put the link here. Let's say www.ghanaweb.com. If I want you to link external site, but let's say if I want you to link to my other page as well, whether you should contact us or add other thing, I can also paste the link here. So let's say Ghana Peace. Then I want to maybe put the what we do link there. I can just come here, then click here, then copy, then come back here, then paste it here. So as soon as we open, you click this one to open. So read more, or you can change learn more other stuff. So after that, when you are done, you just save it. So when you are done, you just save it. Then you can go to my web slider. So you see now this one, so you can identify it as how you want, and you can do the same thing to edit this and all that. Now if I want to, if I'm adding like 10 this thing and I don't want to be adding you, so you can add a new slide here. This is how it works. I can just edit the first one correct and just go to duplicate. So you see it has come. So now when I duplicate, I can come and edit this one, edit all the content background. So let me change the background. So maybe assuming I have a picture already here, so I'll just come and go to select. So I have this one here. Now I can come and change it. So maybe I can put it our business line. Then I can also remove this one. Then come and choose the same image here. Then go to select. So when I'm done, I can change whatever that I want to change here. So I just enter anything. Read more, I can put my links. Now we know how to do all these things, so it's not difficult. Then after that, I can save it. So I can duplicate and come and edit it correctly to tune, and after that I can go to my web slider. And this is it. So now I have this our business line. So I can edit all this. So it will be adding 5 days. And when I'm done, I can just go to save. Now everything is done now. Now I want to see how my slider is. So if my slider is there, so what I do is that I just go to the dashboard and I will see it, my web slider, and this is it. But since it's an interface, this thing, so we just want to change it so that it can describe us our everything that we are doing. This is a thumbnail, so I can come here and delete the thumbnail, choose my own thumbnail for that. So maybe I can come in here and choose this picture on so that I will identify it, then go to save. So when I'm done, I can just go to the preview section and I can view. Can view everything here. So you see, it's not difficult. So now it's working. So we'll be learning how we can paste the slider too. So when I save it, I can still go back to my dashboard and check, and you see that now it has changed my thumbnail. And this is the end of the class. So we are going to go over this one. Thank you very much.